Legends of Learning presents the Galactic Census Agent game. This is a history game that makes learning about forms of government fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, use the arrow keys or WASD keys to move. Press spacebar to jump or interact with different characters on the different planets. Learn more about different forms of government on each planet to learn how different forms of government rule and govern. Travel to each planet to learn more about the different forms of government and complete each planet's minigame to move on to the next level. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing.